Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install, set up, and use CyberGhost VPN. It's an incredibly easy VPN to use, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know everything you need to get the most out of it. Before we begin, if you're interested in CyberGhost, click the link in the description to get started with a great price and additional savings. Let's get started. To begin, use the link in the description to visit the CyberGhost website. From there, create an account and choose a plan that fits your needs. Once you've signed up, go to the Download VPN section on the CyberGhost website and select your platform. In this example, I'll demonstrate the process for Windows. Click on Windows and hit the Download button. The download will start automatically and the setup file will appear in your Downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, double-click the setup file to begin the installation. Follow the installation prompts, click Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and finish the setup. After installation, open the CyberGhost app and log in using the credentials you created during sign-up. Once logged in, you'll see CyberGhost's user interface, which is simple and intuitive. To connect to a VPN server, all you need to do is click the large power button in the app. CyberGhost will automatically connect you to the best available server based on your location and usage needs. However, you might want to select a specific server depending on your activity. For example, if you want to unblock a specific streaming service like Netflix US or BBC iPlayer, CyberGhost makes it easy. Use the search bar or go to the Streaming tab to find optimized servers for different platforms. Simply select the one you need, and CyberGhost will handle the rest. This feature is especially helpful for accessing geo-restricted content, as CyberGhost has dedicated servers for popular services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney+. These servers ensure you get the best performance and a seamless viewing experience without interruptions. CyberGhost offers a variety of specialty servers, including those optimized for streaming, torrenting, and gaming. You'll also find no-spy servers and dedicated IP options. While the dedicated IP feature requires an additional fee, it's a great option for those who need consistent access to certain platforms or websites. Gaming servers provide low latency, while torrenting servers are optimized for fast and secure P2P file sharing, making CyberGhost versatile for different needs. One of CyberGhost's standout features is its massive server network. With over 6,500 servers in 90 countries, it far exceeds the industry average. This means you'll always have a reliable and fast connection, no matter where you are. The wide variety of servers also means you can find a location close to you for better speeds, or connect to servers in distant countries to access restricted content. Another benefit is that a single CyberGhost subscription allows you to secure up to 7 devices simultaneously, which is ideal for families or individuals with multiple devices. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, computer, or smart TV, CyberGhost ensures that all your devices are protected under one account. This versatility makes it a cost-effective solution for households with varied tech needs. CyberGhost also includes essential privacy settings. You can block ads, trackers, and malicious websites with the app's built-in protection. This feature enhances your browsing experience by eliminating intrusive ads and protecting you from potential online threats. Make sure to enable block DNS leaks to ensure your online activity stays private. Additionally, CyberGhost features an automatic kill switch. This stops your internet traffic if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly, preventing any accidental data leaks. While you can disable the kill switch, it's recommended to keep it on for maximum security, especially if you're handling sensitive information or streaming on public Wi-Fi networks. For advanced users, CyberGhost provides smart rules. These allow you to customize how the VPN behaves in specific situations. For instance, you can configure the app to automatically connect to a VPN server when you launch certain apps or connect to untrusted Wi-Fi networks. Split tunneling is also available, letting you choose which apps or websites bypass the VPN. For example, you can set Netflix to use your local internet connection while the rest of your activity is routed through the VPN. This is particularly useful for balancing speed and security, or for accessing local services while using the VPN. Additionally, the Smart Rules feature includes automation options, like starting the VPN upon system boot, ensuring that your online activities are always secure without needing manual intervention. Under Settings, you'll find options to customize the app's behavior and appearance. You can select your preferred VPN protocol, such as WireGuard for the best performance, or OpenVPN for enhanced security. If you're unsure which protocol to use, keeping it set to automatic is a safe choice. Additionally, you can tweak other settings like MTU size and TCP UDP preferences to optimize performance based on your specific needs. These advanced settings allow you to fine-tune your VPN experience, ensuring it meets your unique requirements. CyberGhost also supports seamless switching between protocols, so you can adapt your connection settings on the fly based on the task at hand, whether it's streaming, torrenting, or secure browsing. Once you're set up, navigating CyberGhost is straightforward. Use the Favorites feature to save your preferred servers for quick access. If you're not sure which server to use, CyberGhost's recommendations are reliable and tailored to your needs. For instance, you can select a server in New York for general browsing or a streaming-optimized server for uninterrupted viewing. Additionally, the app provides real-time server load information, allowing you to pick a server with optimal performance. This ensures you get the fastest speeds, even during peak usage times. The server load details are particularly helpful for torrenting or gaming, where connection speed and stability are critical. With over 6,500 servers in 90 countries, you'll never run out of options to find a reliable connection. Furthermore, CyberGhost's detailed server categorization, including options for specific streaming platforms and gaming servers, ensures that you're always connected to the best server for your activity. The combination of intuitive navigation, robust customization options, and detailed server insights makes CyberGhost an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced VPN users alike. CyberGhost also offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is one of the longest in the industry. This means you can try CyberGhost risk-free. If you're not satisfied, simply request a refund through their 24/7 live chat support. The refund process is typically completed within 3 to 4 business days. With its budget-friendly pricing, extensive server network, and user-friendly interface, CyberGhost is a fantastic choice for beginners and seasoned VPN users alike. Whether you're looking to unblock streaming services, stay secure while torrenting, or just browse the web anonymously, CyberGhost has you covered. Since CyberGhost gives you up to 45 days for their money-back guarantee, you can sign up and try it for free, since you can get a refund before the 45 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started right away.